I'm going to read Glass Blower now. It's a favorite poem of mine and a book of selected poems which came out from Arc Publishers, London, was entitled The Glass Blower. It was first published in Poetry Review, London. It has two sections, and the first section talks about how glass came in. I actually wrote the poem thinking about the color of space and glass trying to replicate the color of space. But then the poem has its own momentum, and the poet is a nobody once the pen starts moving. And the second section is about Firozabad, where also glass blowing is very much present. Of course, I've been to Murano as well to see the glass blowing there. The glass blower. He knew about glass and its history, beads of the vintage of Amhanotep, the Nineveh tablets of Asurbanipal, blowpipe, marble, pontil, each successive step which fire took to make clay transparent. Glass is not in the family, he said. My forefathers were alchemists, sublimators of baser alloys like zinc and lead, believers in a four-cornered universe of water and air, earth and fire. They spent a lifetime with bellows, furnaces. They were metallurgists, but they aspired to mysticism. Alchemy for them was not some quack technique harnessed to greed of wealth. The goal was transmuting the earthy into the celestial, sickness into health. Now things are changed. A philosophy slips out as an age loses its teeth. Nothing holds fast. Decay sets in with birth. We rust like iron. We splinter like glass. Second section. We walk past litter to his boiler room, where a reed-thin boy in a tattered vest and a lost face dipped his blowing iron into a small vat of silica paste. The furnace fitted with fire clay pot and flue crackled and hissed. The stilt legs of the boy glowed faint red on the shin bone as he put the blowing iron to his lips and blew. His cheeks turned to hemispheres fully blown. His neck, corded and veined, struggled up to the nape with his exhalations. A blob ballooned at the pipe's other end and froze into shape. A smell of burnt resin, fossil gum, miracles of just fallen lightning came from the bowl, as it should, with clay altered to replicate the luminous transparencies of the soul. The first time men saw this state of mist, this veil that veiled nothing, oh glorious deception, and glass cool into color of space, did they cry out, this is no object, it is thought, perception. Actually, there is nothing like glass and the making of glass from, sand and silica paste into glass to suggest the magic of alchemy. Alchemy is, of course, mythical and glass is real.